Starting a new business is exciting and scary all in one. How do you start your freelancing journey right by finding your first clients? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to share in today's video. Hi, I'm Lydia, and in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can find your first freelance clients online, whether you're offering photography services, social media, or even coaching. These tips will help you find your first clients surely and fast. So let me tell you how. Method number 1, Facebook groups. This is how I found my first freelance clients as a Pinterest VA as well, and the reason for that was that I joined a bunch of Facebook groups that were in my niche of expertise. So basically, if I was a Pinterest VA, I wanted to offer Pinterest services, obviously, so I thought who would need these services? And I came up with bloggers, entrepreneurs, basically everybody that has a business, a website that they want more page views and sales towards. So that's why I went to Facebook groups that were in that niche. So basically bloggers groups, entrepreneurs group, basically women entrepreneur, there are groups for that. I joined all those groups and I posted my services for kind of a discounted price for anybody who wanted to help me get started with my freelance business and that wanted to offer me a review so they can help me get more clients in the future as well. The first and main reason you need to post in Facebook groups for entrepreneurs, for example, if you're offering freelancing services that might help them, is that they are in those groups for that specific reason, to get help and assistance with their problems they're facing in their business. So if you can be a solution for their problem with your services, they might want to work with you. You do need to be careful to post only when allowed to the Facebook group rules, so you won't be kicked out of the group, but post when you're allowed in threads because that's how groups usually work. And try to promote your services by telling people what you can do for them and telling them that you are a beginner. And don't worry, if you are a beginner, that doesn't make you not a freelancer or not a Pinterest VA, for example. If you've studied that enough and if you have the knowledge and expertise to do that for someone, because either you tried it on your own account, for example, for Pinterest, or have some sort of experience that doesn't necessarily involve paid experience, you're still that person, still have that job, so be confident in yourself that you can do that job right. But as you are still learning, you can still offer a few discounts, but do not undermine your work. Think carefully what groups you're posting what service in. For example, if you have photography services, you might want to post in groups with people that have babies or that they would want a maternity shot. So think really carefully about which groups you're posting into. Take a little time to study the people that are in those groups, see kind of what the threads are, see what people talk most about in that group, and that way you can determine if your services are good there and will be well received in that group or not. Also remember to stay active in that group as a helper to others before trying to promote your own service, because if people will know you in that group as the person who gives answers and always jumps out to help others, they might want to be taking a look at your services even if they're not really interested in the beginning, just to offer you a little help, and then they might become actually interested in those and wanting to purchase them. Method number 2, sharing your services with your friends and family. You can share your freelancing services landing page with your close friends and your family or relatives. I'm sure that amongst them there is somebody who would need or want your services, so I suggest trying to market to them as well. And if you don't want to take any money from them because they're your close family, try to do it for your experience as well. And for your portfolio, if you're building a photography portfolio, for example. Start slowly and build up from there. Don't be discouraged if your first clients are just from your family or friends. They're going to help you a lot as well. You will see, you will learn a lot, you will have more experience, you will have more confidence in yourself. And another thing to make sure of when working with close family is to ask for honest reviews, testimonials, and feedback that you can then go and type in your landing page. Method number 3, through a blog. How do you promote your social media services through a blog? Well, first of all, you need to start writing articles that will help people on the area of expertise of your services. So let me explain. You need to write articles on subjects that you're knowledgeable about to attract people that would want your services. So how do you do that? For example, put yourself into the client's mindset, into the client's shoes, I guess. So think of what they would want to see from somebody they would want to hire. For example, for me as a Pinterest VA, I'm writing articles like, why do bloggers need Pinterest? Why does every single blogger need Pinterest to grow their income, grow their page views, and so on? This way, if a blogger sees that, they will know they need Pinterest, they will come in read my article, why do you need Pinterest? Oh, this person knows a lot about Pinterest. Let me hire her to do this for my blog to grow my blog. Of course, for that to happen, you need to mention your services and mention that you're offering those services within the blog post. Just try to think of what somebody might be interested in if they would want to also purchase your services. They don't want to be looking to purchase those services in the first place, but if they see that you're knowledgeable about it, try to give them the impulse to think that they will need your services. You need to add a call to action in your pins, in your blog posts. So tell people if you would like somebody to do this for you. If you don't have the time and you want somebody else to manage your Pinterest account, for example, check out my Pinterest management services, and then link them to your landing page. Remember, blog posts don't promote themselves. You're just posting on your platform, but they will not get promoted unless you use Pinterest. So unless you use YouTube for your business, maybe use Instagram or Pinterest, but Pinterest is the most used platforms by bloggers and entrepreneurs to lead page views to their website. So you will need to promote your blog post through Pinterest and Tailwind. While we're at it, if you need somebody to manage your blog or business with Pinterest, create a brand new Pinterest account for your business, or manage your Tailwind account monthly, you can check out my services below. Method number 4, through videos or a YouTube channel. If you've decided what your business is and what are the services you want to provide, you can start a YouTube channel exactly how you would start a blog, but in video format. So start a YouTube channel and start researching videos that people would want to see if they would also want your services. So for this, you're not just writing what you're knowledgeable about, you need to first research what people want to see in your area of expertise. So research the videos and make them so that you show people that you're knowledgeable on those subjects and that you attract them to your channel, to your website. And after you do that, make sure to create a call to action in your videos, mention your services in your videos, in your video description, in your channel description, and so on. For this, make sure to provide a landing page where people can see what you're offering, how much is it, how they can get in contact with you to start working together. And if you're wondering how to create a landing page, I have a video coming up next week on how to build a landing page and design a landing page with Elementor in WordPress. And in that video, I will give you more information of what a landing page should contain in the matter of proving your abilities, telling them why they should hire you, the prices, and so on. Method number 5, pin about them or use Pinterest to promote your services. This is not promoting your blog post, but promoting your landing pages. So you can create catchy pins with titles like, look at how this VA helped so many bloggers achieve their dreams, or something catchy that will make people want to click on your landing pages. For those pins to work, you need to be consistent on Pinterest and to grow your account. So by pinning every single day, by following new people in your niche every single day, and so many other things. If you want to get a checklist for 30 days of Pinterest growth that you can print out every single month and use it for your Pinterest account's growth, you can check it out below. I have a freebie on my website that does exactly that for you. Method number 6, post about them on social media. So you need to post about your services on social media, either your personal or business platforms, but you need to offer people a reason why they should click on your services and why they should hire you, not just dropping the link everywhere. So when posting the link, either it is on your personal Facebook or Instagram or whatever, just try to make sure to give them a little bit of insight on what you're doing and who you're doing it for. For example, you can create a post on Facebook saying, do you need anybody to manage your Pinterest account so you can grow your blog, get more page views, and start making affiliate sales? Then you can check out my services. I have a discount for whoever signs up this month. You can check them out below, or something like that. That will make them kind of understand why you're posting that link, not just posting that link because people will see Pinterest management services. They'll be like, what's Pinterest? I don't need Pinterest. Why do I need Pinterest? They will start asking these questions, and if you don't answer them within your post, they will become uninterested really quick. If you want to learn a little bit more about becoming a freelancer and how I became a freelancer, you can watch my Become a Freelancer video or read the blog post I have on it. I will link both down below. If you are a freelancer yourself, make sure to comment down below how did you get your first client. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for new videos every single Tuesday and Friday, and don't forget to press the notifications bell if you want to be the first notified when I post a new video. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope these tips help you out in finding your first client? If they do, please let me know down below or contact me on my email address. I would love to know how your freelancing journey is doing and if I can help with anything else as well. Write any questions down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one.